And what it means here by a catalyzed pathway is that a catalyst has been used. So what is a catalyst? A catalyst is a substance that speeds up a reaction without being consumed itself. So a catalyst can be in the form of like an enzyme, and it speeds up a reaction by decreasing the activation energy. So a catalyst is involved in a reaction, but it is not consumed in the overall reaction itself. And it speeds up the reaction by reducing the activation energy. So we see over here that the difference between the top of this purple graph and the reactants is greater than the difference between the navy or blue graph, top of the blue graph, and the reactants, right? It's significantly lower, which means that the activation energy for this reaction has been significantly decreased through catalysis. And something to note about the usage of catalysts is that it doesn't change the overall change in energy over here. So we note that both the uncatalyzed pathway and the catalyzed pathway leads to the formation of products with the same level of energy, right? So just because you used a catalyst, it doesn't change the overall energy. It only changes the activation energy. And this is all represented in the graph. The change in energy is still the same because the level of the energy of the product stay the same, while the difference over here between the top of these graphs and the reactants is different, which means that the activation energy has been decreased.